Imagine earning money from the comfort of your home, setting your own hours, and choosing projects that truly excite you. Welcome to the world of Upwork, a bustling marketplace where freelancers and businesses converge to create magic. This platform is a goldmine for those with the right skills and a robust work ethic. In recent years, we've seen a seismic shift in the way we work, with remote work and freelancing becoming more than just buzzwords. They're now viable, rewarding career options. This paradigm shift has opened a world of opportunities, and Upwork sits right at the heart of this revolution. With Upwork, the world becomes your office. You can collaborate with clients from Paris to Tokyo, all while sipping coffee in your pajamas. But how do you tap into this potential? How do you stand out in a sea of freelancers and secure lucrative gigs? Let's dive into the world of Upwork and learn how you can maximize this opportunity. Your profile is your personal brand on Upwork. It's your first impression to potential clients. Let's think of your profile as your shop window. It's what draws clients in, enticing them to learn more about you and your services. Firstly, a professional profile picture is crucial. This doesn't mean you need a full-blown photo shoot, but make sure you're dressed professionally and the photo is clear. It's your visual handshake, so make it count. Next, your headline. This is more than just a job title, it's your elevator pitch, your chance to grab a client's attention. Make it compelling by clearly stating what you do and how you can solve a client's problem. Now, let's talk about your skills and experience. These should be relevant to the services you're offering and a clear demonstration of your expertise. Don't hold back on showcasing your skills, but remember to keep it concise and relevant. Your profile overview is where you can shine. It's your chance to tell your story, to share who you are, what you do, and why you're the best at it. Make it engaging, and use it to show clients why you're the freelancer they've been looking for. Choosing the right skills and categories is another crucial step. Research the platform to determine which skills are in high demand and select categories that not only align with your skills, but also have a high demand. This will help you attract the right clients. Remember, your profile isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing part of your business. Keep it updated, tweak it as you grow, and learn what works best for attracting clients. In summary, your profile should be a professional, engaging, and clear representation of you and your skills. It should highlight your expertise, your ability to solve problems, and why you're the best choice for a potential client. A strong profile is your ticket to attracting the right clients on Upwork. So take the time to craft it carefully and watch as the opportunities start rolling in. Your proposal is your sales pitch. It's your chance to convince the client that you're the best fit for the job. Let's dive into how you can master the art of proposals. First and foremost, personalize your proposal. Avoid using a one-size-fits-all approach. Each job is unique, and so should be your proposal. You want to show the client that you've taken the time to understand their needs and that you're not just sending out generic proposals left, right, and center. So, how do you personalize it? Start by researching the client. Look at their job posting history, their reviews, and the kind of work they usually hire for. This can give you insights into their preferred working style and what they value in a freelancer. Then, tailor your proposal accordingly. Speak directly to their needs and explain how your skills and experience make you an excellent fit for their job. Show them that you've put thought into their project and you're genuinely interested in working with them. Next, showcase your expertise. Highlight your relevant skills and past works that align with their project. Don't just tell them about your skills, show them. If you're a graphic designer, for instance, include links to your previous designs. If you're a writer, provide samples of your writing. Building a strong portfolio is crucial here. It's your body of work that speaks volumes about your abilities and professionalism. So, invest time in creating a portfolio that accurately represents your talents and abilities. But remember, while showcasing your expertise, keep it concise and relevant. You don't want to overwhelm the client with too much information. Stick to what's important for the job at hand. In the end, your proposal should tell a compelling story about who you are, what you can do, and how you can add value to the client's project. It should leave the client with no doubt that you're the perfect fit for the job. Remember, a well-crafted proposal can be the difference between landing a job and being overlooked. So take the time to craft a proposal that truly reflects your abilities and understanding of the client's needs. Finding the right jobs and setting competitive rates are crucial aspects of your freelancing journey. When it comes to navigating Upwork jobs, the first order of business is to get strategic with your job search. But how? Well, use filters to narrow down job listings. This means you need to be selective. Choose jobs that align with your skills and experience. It's about quality, not quantity. Now let's talk about a rather ugly side of freelancing: scam jobs. They exist, and it's essential to know how to spot them. Always verify clients and job details. If a job seems too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts and remember, legitimate clients will never ask for work to be done for free as a test. Once you've identified a legitimate job that suits your skills, it's time to talk about pricing your services. Setting competitive rates is a balancing act. You want to attract clients without undervaluing your work. So how do you strike that balance? Consider factors like your experience, skill level, and the current market rates. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. But what if a client balks at your rates? This is where your negotiation skills come into play. Be prepared to justify your rates with concrete examples of your past work and its value. Remember, every negotiation is a conversation, not a battle. And finally, we get to upselling, a secret weapon of many successful freelancers. Once you've established a good relationship with a client, don't be shy about suggesting additional services that might benefit them. It's a win-win situation. The client gets more value, and you get to increase your earnings. With the right job search strategies and pricing tactics, you can optimize your earnings on Upwork. In the freelancing world, your reputation is everything. This statement rings true, especially when you're navigating a platform like Upwork. It's like your invisible business card, speaking volumes about your work ethic, quality, and reliability. So let's dive into how you can build a stellar reputation. Firstly, focus on delivering quality work. It's tempting to juggle multiple jobs at once, but remember, quality trumps quantity every time. High-quality work not only meets but exceeds client expectations, and this is what sets you apart from the crowd. It's your golden ticket to repeat business, glowing reviews, and a reputation that precedes you. Now, let's talk about communication. Effective communication is a two-way street. It's not just about expressing your ideas clearly, but also about active listening and understanding your client's needs. Regular updates and prompt responses can create a sense of trust and reliability, which can work wonders for your reputation. Next on the list is meeting deadlines. In the online freelancing world, deadlines are sacred. Delivering your work on time, every time, shows your commitment and professionalism. It tells your clients that you respect their time and can be trusted with their projects. Lastly, let's discuss collecting positive reviews. Think of reviews as your online word-of-mouth marketing. A string of positive reviews can attract more clients and higher-paying jobs. So how do you get these reviews? It's simple. Ask for them. After completing a project, kindly request your client to leave a review. But remember, your request for a review should never come off as desperate or pushy. In conclusion, building a stellar reputation on Upwork boils down to delivering quality work, communicating effectively, meeting deadlines, and collecting positive reviews. It's not an overnight process, but with consistent effort and dedication, you'll see your reputation soar. A positive reputation on Upwork can open doors to more opportunities and higher earnings. So go ahead and start building your reputation today. You've got this. So, we've just unlocked the secrets to earning money on Upwork. We've learned the importance of a professional profile picture and a compelling headline, along with showcasing your relevant skills and crafting an engaging overview. We've discussed how to customize proposals for each job and underscored the significance of building a strong portfolio. We've navigated through effective ways to find suitable jobs on Upwork, and we've shared strategies to identify and avoid potential scams. We've explored how to set competitive rates and how to negotiate for better ones. And we've emphasized the crucial role of delivering quality work and collecting positive reviews in building a stellar reputation. These key points represent the roadmap to your success on Upwork. Remember, your commitment to excellence will be the driving force behind your progress. With these insights, you're now ready to embark on your successful freelancing journey on Upwork. Stay tuned for more tips and updates.